Vidya Nirali from Saraswati Group of Education. I hope that you all are fine. So now, today we are going to start our revision sessions. Okay, so in our first session we are going to revise the chapter number 4, Working with Windows, the chapter which we have recently completed. So we are going to revise that chapter. So this chapter is all about working with Windows, the operating system. So as I have already explained you about what is operating system, you are very much familiar with operating system right now. So operating system is nothing but operating system. When you start a computer, it shows a Windows loading. What does that mean? Windows is આજે Windows છે, આપણે જે Windows કહીએ છીએ, that is our operating system. એ એક operating system છે અને કેવી રીતે વર્ક કરે છે? There are different types of operating systems such as Windows છે, Linux છે, macOS છે, ઘણી બધી operating systems હોય છે, and how it works that we have seen. And nowadays the most popular operating system is Windows. So we are going to see and learn about Windows, how to work with Windows. So now the desktop. The desktop is the first screen which comes on the monitor. The first screen છે જે તમે મોનિટર પર તમને જે દેખાય છે જ્યારે તમે કમ્પ્યુટરની મોનિટર સ્વિચ ઓન કરો છો, કમ્પ્યુટરને ટર્ન ઓન કરો છો ને જે ફર્સ્ટ સ્ક્રીન જે દેખાય છે મોનિટર પર, that is known as desktop. Now desktop પર તમે small pictures જોતા હશો, that is known as icons. અને એક નીચે પતલી એવી લાઈન છે, over there on the left hand side on the bottom corner you can see a button, a symbol that is known as a start button, right? And that bottom line is known as taskbar. Now you can see my computer કરીને એક icon હશે. So if you will double click on that, as you know that if you want to open any of the icon you are supposed to double click on that. So if you want to open that icon, you are supposed to double click, and to open my computer window, so after opening you can see there are drives. So C drive માં આપણે ઓલરેડી આપણું જે સોફ્ટવેર ને એ બધું છે એ એમાં ઇન્સ્ટોલ કરીએ છીએ, બધું વસ્તુ એમાં સ્ટોર થાય છે. The rest of the things, our photos, our documents, files and everything are stored in the other drive, that is D drive, E drive, right? The drives are created according to our memory unit, storage capacity, right? And it is divided in such kind of parts. Then the rest of the drives, when you attach external devices, તમે જે external device ને attach કરો છો અને such as pen drive છે, CD છે, DVD છે, એ તમે enter કરો છો, એક new drive create થાય છે, that is E drive. So this was all about drive. Now start button માં તમને શું જોવા મળે? So when you click on the start button on the left corner of the desktop, right, you can see you can start any program from that. You can also open any kind of a document, and you can also search for items if you don't find it. તમને જો ના મળતી હોય તો તમે ત્યાં સર્ચ કરો તો તમને એ મળી જાય એમાંથી, right? And when you click on any program, some of the items, અમુક પ્રોગ્રામ ક્લિક કરો ને તો તમને એની બાજુમાં સ્મોલ એરો દેખાય. તો એ સ્મોલ એરો દેટ મીન્સ એની અંદર હજી એક સબ મેનુ છે, એને ઓપન કરો તો એમાં હજી ઘણા બધા અંદર તમને જોવા મળે. So this was all about start button. Now files and folders, as you know that to maintain files and folders is very much necessary, and how to create a file and a folder and how we are using it, that we are going to see. Practically I'll show you again the session of everything practically once again. Okay, now yes students, one thing you need to see and you need to keep in your mind that are when you see, just see your textbook page number 27. In page number 27 box table is given, that is icons, program and type of file. This is a very much important question for your exams કે તમને એના icons, કયો પ્રોગ્રામ ને એની કઈ type of file છે. Okay, so if Microsoft Word એનો icon શું છે અને એની file કઈ create થશે, word processor. Microsoft PowerPoint, what is the icon and what is the type of file, that is presentation file. So that you are supposed to keep in your mind. Microsoft Excel, spreadsheet file. Access, database file. Notepad, text file. Paint, picture file. Windows Media Player, sound and movie file. And Winamp, that is sound file. Okay, this you are supposed to keep in your mind so that it will be easier for you to when you access your data or information. Okay, then after we have also seen the steps to create a new folder or a new file on the desktop. Then we have seen that how to move files into the folders. File ને folder ની અંદર કેવી રીતે move કરવાની. Then operating an existing file or a folder. કે આપણે જો ઓલરેડી ફાઇલ અને ફોલ્ડર બનાવેલા છે એને કેવી રીતે ઓપન કરવાના. Then rename કેવી રીતે કરવાના ફાઇલ and folder ને. Then after copying a file or a folder. Then afterward we have seen how to delete a file and a folder. Then all these things I am going to show you on the computer practically. Then after we have seen fun with desktop. That as we know કે આપણે એક ને એક વસ્તુ જોઈને બી બોર થઈ જાય તો આપણે ડેસ્કટોપની પાછળ જે પિક્ચર ડેસ્કટોપમાં જે પિક્ચર દેખાય છે that picture is known as wallpaper. એને wallpaper કહેવામાં આવે છે. So now we also want that our computer looks good or our computer looks attractive when somebody switch on our computer. So to change the appearance of the desktop, we often like to change the look of our house. નું પણ look change. તો એવી જ રીતે આનું પણ change કરવા માટે we can change the desktop to make it look more attractive. And the background of the desktop is known as wallpaper. So you can change the background through the control panel થી આપણે change કરી શકીએ છીએ. There are varieties of wallpaper designs inbuilt હોય જ છે આપણા કમ્પ્યુટરમાં. And though if you don't like that, you can also download the beautiful picture from the internet. Okay, and that steps we are going to see practically. Then afterward we have learned about screensaver. What is screensaver? Screensaver એટલે કે જ્યારે તમે લોકો કમ્પ્યુટરમાં વર્ક કરો છો અને તમારે કાંઈ કામ છે તો તમે 2 મિનિટ માટે કંઈ બહાર જાઓ છો. સો તમારું કમ્પ્યુટર ત્યાં સુધી કાંઈ વર્ક કરતું નથી, એમનેમ આઇડલ છે. So that means કે જ્યારે કમ્પ્યુટર આઇડલ છે તો તમારી સ્ક્રીન ઉપર ઓટોમેટિકલી એક પિક્ચર કે તમે જે સેટ કરશો એ આવી જશે. So that display is known as screensaver. A screensaver is an animated image that is activated on the computer if the computer is idle for a specified period of time. તો તમે જેટલો ટાઈમ લિમિટ સેટ કરો કે હું વર્ક ન કરતી હોય એની 2 મિનિટ પછી સ્ક્રીનસેવર આવી જવું જોઈએ. તો એક્ઝેક્ટલી 2 મિનિટ્સ પછી સ્ક્રીનસેવર આવી જશે. જો ઇફ તમે 5 મિનિટ્સનો ટાઈમ સેટ કરો, દેટ ડિપેન્ડ્સ કે તમે કેટલા ટાઈમ સેટ કરો છો એટલા ટાઈમ પછી સ્ક્રીનસેવર તમારા સ્ક્રીન ઉપર દેખાશે. જ્યારે તમે વર્ક નહીં કરતા હોય ત્યારે, જ્યારે કમ્પ્યુટર એમનેમ પડ્યું હશે. ઓકે, દેટ ડઝ નોટ મીન કે કમ્પ્યુટર સ્વિચ ઓફ હોય ને સ્ક્રીનસેવર દેખાય. કમ્પ્યુટર ઓન છે, તમે વર્ક કરો છો ને કામ આવ્યું ને કંઈક બહાર ગયા, કમ્પ્યુટર ઓલરેડી ઓન છે ત્યારે સ્ક્રીનસેવર તમારી સ્ક્રીન ઉપર આવશે. So this was all about screensaver. Now creating a file and a folder using WordPad. So we are going to see this also કે how to create a file and a folder. WordPad ની હેલ્પથી આપણે ફાઇલ અને ફોલ્ડરને કેવી રીતે ક્રિએટ કરી શકીએ, that also we are going to see. And for that there are some steps. So just click on the start button, then you can see that everything I am going to show you practically on the screen. Okay, so this was all about working with Windows, and the practical session we are going to see now that you can see in the video of your mind. So let's get started. To create a files and a folders on the desktop. So for creating a folder on the desktop, you have to give a right click on the blank space on the desktop. એટલે કે અહીંયા ડેસ્કટોપ ઉપર બ્લેન્ક સ્પેસ છે ત્યાં કર્સર રાખીને રાઇટ ક્લિક દેવાની છે. સો યુ કેન સી ધ મેનુ અપિયર્સ ઓવર હિયર. નાવ યુ હેવ ટુ ક્લિક ઓન ધ ન્યૂ ઓપ્શન. અહીંયા ન્યૂ લખેલું છે, ઓપ્શન પર ક્લિક કરશો સો સબ મેનુ વિલ અપિયર ઓવર હિયર. સબ મેનુ અપિયર થશે. સો ઇન દેટ યુ હેવ ટુ ક્લિક ધ ફોલ્ડર. You will click on the folder option, the folder gets created. Now you have to give the name to this folder. Just now I am giving the name over here as my school, and then press the enter key. So your folder is created. Now how to create a files on the desktop. Again you have to go through the same procedure, that you have to right click on the blank space on the desktop, કે right click કરવાનું છે, blank space હોય desktopમાં ત્યાં cursor રાખીને, and then you have to click on the new, and you can see many files will appear over here. So just now I am creating a file of Word document. So I'll click Microsoft Word document and my file gets created. Now I'll give a name to this file. For example, just now I am giving a name as a timetable. Okay, so as you can see that we have created a file of Word document, that is timetable. Now how to move this file into the folder, that we have also learned, that you have to copy this file and you have to paste this in the folder. For copying the file, what you are supposed to do, that click just a single click on the icon and then do the right click. So you can see the menu appears. In that, go select the copy option. Now go in the My School folder, double click on that. So you can see the screen which appears over here. Now give the right click on the blank space given over here, and you can see the menu appears. In that, the paste option is there. Click on the paste option. So your file is copied over here. તમારી જે ફાઇલ છે અહીંયા કોપી થઈ ગઈ છે. Okay. Now we are going to learn that how to open the existing file or a folder. કે આપણે જે ફાઇલ અને ફોલ્ડર છે એને ઓપન કેવી રીતે કરવાના. There are two ways to open a file and folder. The first one, that we know that by double clicking we can open a file or a folder. So we have double clicked over here and our folder gets opened. Now the another method is that the same procedure we can apply to open the file. Now the next method is that just give a single click on the folder and then give the right click. So you can see over here open is given, open option is given. Now click on that option and your folder gets open. So these are the two ways with the help of which you can open a folder or a file. Now in today's session we are going to start with how to rename a file or a folder. કે ફાઇલ ને તમારે ઓર એલ્સ ફોલ્ડર જે છે એને તમારે રીનેમ કેમ કરવાના, એટલે કે જે તમે નેમ આપ્યું છે એ નેમ હવે તમારે નથી જોતું, તો એ તમે નેમ ચેન્જ કેવી રીતે કરશો, હાઉ યુ વિલ રીનેમ દેટ ફાઇલ ઓર અ ફોલ્ડર. So for that, again I am going in the folder option, give the right click. In that you can see a menu appears and in that rename option is there. Click on the rename option and type the name, give the backspace key and type the name which you want to give. કે તમારે જે બી નેમ આપવું છે એ નેમ તમે અહીંયા આપી શકો. For example, I am giving the name over here result and then press the enter key. So you can see that the folder which we have created with my school, now we have renamed that folder and we have given the name result. આપણે એને result name આપી દીધું છે. So in this way you are supposed to change, then rename the folder. So the steps of that is right click on the file or the folder to be renamed. A sub menu appears, एक menu appear થશે. In that click on the rename option, then type a new name for the file or a folder and then press the enter key. So the file or the folder has been renamed. Now moving a file or a folder, આપણે આ rename કેમ કરવું એ જોઈ લીધું. Now we will see that how to move a file or a folder. You can move a file or a folder from one location to the other by using the cut, copy and paste commands. કે એક જગ્યાએથી બીજી જગ્યાએ કોઈ બી ફાઇલ ઓર ફોલ્ડરને મૂવ કરવું છે તો એ તમે કેવી રીતે કરશો. So for moving that there are three commands, that is cut, copy and paste. Now how to use all these three, that we will see over here. Steps to move a file or a folder. So now first we want to move this file, result folder is there, right? Now we want to move this into the another folder. So let me create a new folder over here. Now I want to move this folder into the my school folder. મારે આ result folder છે એને my school folder માં move કરવું છે. So how will I do? જો મારે આ ફોલ્ડરને અહીંયા પણ રાખવું છે એન્ડ my school ફોલ્ડરમાં પણ રાખવું છે તો હું આ ફોલ્ડરને કોપી કરીશ, રાઈટ. પણ મારે આ ફોલ્ડરને અહીંયા ડેસ્કટોપ પરથી રિમૂવ જ કરી દેવું છે, then I will go in the cut off. તો હું આ ફોલ્ડરને કટ કરીશ. So right click and then click on the cut option. Then you just open the my school by double clicking on the icon. So you can see the blank screen appears on the screen. Then give the right click and paste. Right? So your result folder has been moved into the my school folder. Now you can see on the screen that હવે અહીંયા રિઝલ્ટનું ફોલ્ડર અહીંયા સ્ક્રીન પર છે નહીં, હવે એ માય સ્કૂલ ફોલ્ડરમાં મૂવ થઈ ગયું છે. સો આપણે કટ કર્યું છે, કટ કર્યું એટલે કે આપણે એ ફોલ્ડર હવે જ્યાં જે પ્લેસ પર હતું ડેસ્કટોપ પર હવે એ પ્લેસ પર નથી. બટ જો એ ફોલ્ડરને તમે કોપી કરશો તો એ ડેસ્કટોપ પર પણ રહેશે અને તમારે જે પેસ્ટ કરો છો કોઈ બી ફોલ્ડરમાં એ ફોલ્ડરમાં પણ તમારે ડેટા રહેશે. બંને જ પ્લેસ પર તમારો એ ડેટા સેવ થયેલો રહેશે. બટ જો તમે કટ કરશો તો એક જ્યાંથી ડેટા તમે કટ કર્યો છે ત્યાંથી એ ડિલીટ થઈ જશે. સો ઇટ ડિપેન્ડ્સ કે તમારે બંને જગ્યાએ તમારો ડેટાને સેવ રાખવો છે or else you want to remove from the one place. That it depends on you. Now how to copy a file or a folder. We have learned that how to cut the file or a folder. Now we will see that how to copy a file and a folder. Now if you want to copy this file timetable, then you just have to give the right click and you can see the copy option over here. Click on that, then open the my school folder. Keep the cursor on the blank screen, right click and paste. So your file timetable is copied in the folder my school. So these are the steps to move a file or a folder by cut and copy option. So for cut, right click on the file or a folder you want to move. પહેલા right click કરવાનું જે ફોલ્ડરને or ફાઇલને તમારે મૂવ કરવું છે એના પર. Then click on the cut option. Go to the location you want the file or folder to be moved. પછી જ્યાં તમારે એને પેસ્ટ કરવું છે એ લોકેશન પર જવાનું છે and then right click on the space of that window and then click on the paste option. So the file or the folder has been moved to a new location. હવે એ new location પર move થઈ જશે. Now copying a file or a folder. હવે ફાઇલ અને ફોલ્ડરને કોપી કેવી રીતે કરશો? You can also create more than one copy of your file or a folder. એટલે કે એક કરતાં એની વધારે કોપીઝ તમારે રાખવી છે તો તમારે કટ કરવાનું આવશે by using the copy and paste commands. Steps to copy a file or a folder from one location to another. Now steps to copy a file or a folder. Steps to copy a file or a folder from one location to another are: right click the file or a folder you want to copy, then click on a copy option, go to the location where you want the file or a folder to be copied, then right click on the blank space of this window and click the paste option. And in this way you can copy a file and keep many copies of your file. Okay, now the next is, So over here we have learned that how to rename a file or a folder, then how to cut or copy the file and the folder. Now we will learn that how to delete a file and a folder. Now if we don't want that file or a folder, then what are the steps to delete the file and a folder? Right click on the file or a folder that you want to delete. Right click karvanu and you can see the delete option over here. Click the delete option, then one box appears on the screen for the confirmation that are you sure that you want to delete this file. Then click yes and your file is deleted. In the same way, if you want to delete the folder, again do the right click and delete option appears. Delete and yes, so your folder is also deleted. Okay, so your folder is also deleted. So in this way you can delete your files and folders. Steps to delete a file or a folder is right click on the file or a folder to be deleted, click on delete, then a delete folder or a file confirmation window appears. Then click on yes, the selected file or folder has been deleted. How to change the background, that means how to change the wallpaper. We are going to learn that thing કે આપણે wallpaper ને કેવી રીતે change કરસી. So for that thing, the first thing which you are going to do is click on the start button. Then you can see the control panel option is given. Click on that. In that a menu appears on your screen. Now you are supposed to click on the appearance and personalization. Again you are supposed to click on the personalization option, and now you can see many pictures given over here. So you can select any of the picture from this, right? As just now I am selecting this picture. Okay, and desktop background. So select this picture and save, give the save changes over here. So after saving, you can see the wallpaper is changed, right? So in this way you are supposed to, you can change your wallpaper, and if you don't want any of the wallpapers which is already given, then you can also download it from the internet. તમે લોકો internet પરથી બી download કરી શકો છો. Then after, how to change screensaver. So first of all, what is screensaver? કે screensaver એક animated image છે કે જ્યારે તમારું PC ચાલુ છે બટ તમે અત્યારે એમાં કાંઈ વર્ક નથી કરતા અને એમનેમ રહે છે, તો એક સ્ક્રીન તમારી આવી જશે, that is known as screensaver. તમારી મોનિટર સ્ક્રીન પર જે ઇમેજ આવી જશે, that is known as screensaver. Now how to change that screensaver? Again we are going to follow that steps only, that click on the start button, then click on the control panel option, then appearance and personalization. In that you can see over here no screensaver is written, right? So click on that, and over here screensaver, you can select any of the screensaver. See over here it is coming like this way. You can also see in this box, see. So I am keeping this as an screensaver. See, you can see ribbons. Now I want to keep this as my screensaver. Then click on the apply. After clicking on the apply, click the OK button. So here you can see that now પહેલાં જ્યારે તમે જોયું હશે તો એમ લખેલું હતું નો સ્ક્રીનસેવર. એઝ નાવ વી હેવ અપ્લાઇડ, હવે આપણે સ્ક્રીનસેવરને અપ્લાય કરી દીધું છે તો અહીંયા આવી ગયું સ્ક્રીનસેવર. and which screensaver we have applied, that is ribbons. So that is also written over here. So in this way, and then you just click the cross button, so your screensaver is already changed. So these were the steps of changing the screensaver. Now we are going to see in today's session, that is creating a file and a folder using WordPad. So now we are going to see that how to create a file and a folder using WordPad. So for creating a file and a folder using WordPad, you are supposed first, for the very first step is to click on the start button. Then you can see all programs option is given. Click on that. Now in that you are supposed to click on the accessories option. After clicking on that, you can see the WordPad option appears on your screen. Click on the WordPad. So the WordPad dialog box appears on the screen. Now whatever thing you want to type, હવે તમારે જે બી કાંઈ ટાઈપ કરવું છે, you can type it in this. So for now I'm writing some of the things as my favorite hobbies, then reading books, then afterward listening to music, table tennis. So I have written, now already I have written something over here. Now I want to save this file. હવે મારે આ ફાઇલને સેવ કરવી છે. So હવે સેવ કરવા માટે મારે શું કરવાનું? Over here you can see the file option is given. Click on that. So you can see a menu appears on the screen. Now you are supposed to click on the save as option. Save as option પર ક્લિક કરશો એટલે તમારે હવે પાથ સિલેક્ટ કરવાનો કે તમારે ક્યાં સેવ કરવું છે. So for now I'm selecting F drive. F drive માં હવે અહીંયા તમે ફોલ્ડર તમારું ક્રિએટ કરી શકો છો. Right click, click on the new and folder and give the name as hobbies. So the folder is created. Now enter that, and now over here file name is given. So હવે આ તમારે ફાઇલનું નેમ શું આપવું છે, હવે એ ચેન્જ કરી દેવાનું. So over here I am giving the name as my hobbies. So I have written the name of the file, and now click on the save option. So your word file is being saved અને create પણ થઈ ગઈ છે. So now to check whether it is saved or not, let's go on that path. Now let's check it out that whether our word file is being saved or not. So for that we are supposed to go in the my computer. In that we have created a folder in F drive માં આપણે યાદ રાખવાનું કે આપણે કઈ ડ્રાઈવમાં ફોલ્ડર ક્રિએટ કર્યું છે. So we have created a folder in F drive. So we will click that. In that we have created a folder named hobbies. The hobbies name na folder ma, here you can see a word file is created with the name my hobbies. So in this way you are supposed to create a file or a folder using WordPad. WordPad માંથી directly તમે કેવી રીતે file or a folder create કરી શકો તે પણ આજે આપણે શીખી લીધું. So this was all about today's session.
I hope that you have seen the video and you have recalled everything which of this chapter which we are going to see. Okay, and I hope કે તમને લોકોને સમજાઈ પણ ગયું હશે. And તમારી પાસે જો કમ્પ્યુટર કે કાંઈ હોય then you can also practice it at home. તમે લોકો ઘરે પણ એની પ્રેક્ટિસ કરી શકો છો. Okay, so this was all about chapter number 4, and I am going to send you the worksheet based on our paper style છે એવી જ રીતે એક્ઝેક્ટલી તમને વર્કશીટ સેન્ડ કરવાની છું which you are supposed to solve it in your book.
Okay, so this was all about chapter number 4, and still if you have any doubt, then rewatch the video. A video ne pacho jo and understand, your doubts will be clear. Okay students, so till then